would like you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for whenever I post another video. You will be notified. Now I'm coming at y'all different. This is vlog style because you see this box right here? I'm about to put the shelves together to go over here in my area that y'all seen me in plenty of videos. As y'all seen that I did this whole room over. Please don't look at my door. That door over there has got to get cleaned, but we ain't gonna talk about that. You know, people's fingerprints all over the door, whatever. COVID out here, so gotta clean up things, right? So I just wanted to have a little introduction before I get in to me setting up this shelf, you know, handy dandy Dutchie. So I just wanted to, you know, come through with a little quick what's up for you guys. Post my camera up. As y'all can see my equipment. I'm going to show y'all my equipment. You see my ring light over here. Got it shining. It's an expensive ring light. I got my tripod over here to set my phone up. Say what up to Mickey back there. That's my speaker. I'm going to put my music on. It's usually the speaker that I use to blast music when I'm doing my hair and all of that. So put my soca music on, and I'm gonna probably put some music over this part because, you know, I ain't trying to be copywritten or copyrighted on YouTube, because, you know, I ain't got money to be paying nobody for nothing. My hair right now, this is like 4 days after the Bantu knot video that you've seen in the previous before this video. Just get my camera at the right spot because I'm gonna be on the floor. This box right here, it's my shelf. Oh look, y'all can see my Christmas decorations. Let me show y'all. This right here, boom. This over the door, and boom. Yeah, I did that. That was on me. So let's get into this. Building a shelf. Let me put my music on for y'all. Over here on Twitch, listening to DJ T-Rock. Shout out to Twitch and the Twitch family. Let me turn this down a little bit so I can talk to y'all. Because I don't even know if I'm going to need like a drill and stuff for this. I don't know how it's going to set up, but we going to do this. we gonna do this. I've been trying to get somebody to do this for me for the last couple of days because I didn't feel like being handy my damn self. But here I am, doing it all on my own. I'm gonna put it in the description box where I got the shelf from. I got it off of Amazon for a good $130. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like when it's set up and I'm done. Because it's supposed to like lean up on the wall and stuff. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. This probably gonna take me like 2 hours to do this. I already want to quit getting the tape off. I don't think I got it upside down. Oh, this is what you see. You see? Okay, let's get into this. got numbers on them. Shows a photo. Disappointed in that. So now we can get this big ass box out the way. We'll handle the box later. 15, 16, and 17. Right in here. So we'll worry about that later. That's probably the shelves. So we'll worry about that later. So now on the second one is the parts and the assembly where we start. So let's get into the parts and separate the parts and put them in the area. I'm gonna put them on this over here by my chair. I'm gonna have to vacuum for real. Oh, this is all that goes in here. Ah, okay. Let's clean out our space. Make some space for us. Gonna work right there in this area. Yeah. So step one, we need 1 and 2, and 3 and 5. About to lie to you, I'm gonna take a food break. I'll be right back. This is about to be a long one. Alright, so we're gonna put that to the side and go to step 2. Now we need 4, 7, and 8 with the C's. And we're just gonna put all of these in here. says something, there's some type of picture up on this step, but I have no idea what it means. Okay, that's it right there. It's the show part. So now I gotta screw these into the top. These four corners right here. I got the D's. I got the D. My dirty mind, I'm sorry. Alright, so we got 10, 11, and 14. And then we're going to use K, L, and I. So we need one of these. Okay. That's the bottom. This is the bottom. Didn't know that. So y'all can see here, it's pretty sturdy. Got these options to connect these pieces right here and have it to the wall. but I don't think it needs that. No, so I'm gonna just put all my camera stuff in the top, hair stuff in the other two. Let me put up some things and show y'all. This, got me a little Five Below fountain. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and share. If you would like more home improvement Dutchie, let me know in the comments down below. And I guess that wraps it up. So later, guys. She would like to be free. She would like to be free. One big bungalow. One big bungalow. Said she would like to be free. She would like to be free.